Hello everyone, today I want to show you how to use WeChat to communicate. Pressing the icon of WeChat, there will be a welcome interface for users to register. For people who have not used the WeChat before, they can press the button of Sign Up. For people who have already had a WeChat account, they can log in directly. At the first time, people can register with their own mobile phone number, and then they need to select the country or district they are in, and log in with their mobile. There are 3 steps to log in. Step 1. Select the country or district you are in. Step 2. Type in the registered phone number. Step 3. Type in your own password and then log in. After login, the main interface of WeChat will be shown. There are 4 main functions: Message, Contacts, Discovery, and Me. The previous chatting records are shown according to the time of. If someone sent you a new message, a red number mark will be shown on the top of the icon of these people. You can check details besides pressing the icon of your friend. You can send a message to him or her. In addition, you can also send lovely expressions to friends. If you want to send a message to your friend, you can press the text box and then type in letters. Pressing the icon of loudspeaker, the message type can be changed to audio type. User can hold the button to talk and move up to send the message. Pressing the icon of plus, there are several additional functions, like sending pictures, taking photos, and video calls. Among these functions, FaceTime is an important way to communicate with other users. Choosing the button of video calls, you can pressing the icon of Discover, people can see the sub-functions in it. For example, Circle of Friends, QR code. With QR code, user can scan others' QR to add contact. People can shake phones to find friends with the function of pressing the icon of Camera. User can publish new photos to the circle of friends. By switching up and down, they can browse their friends. In the moment, people can browse pictures and text published by their friends. If you like a piece of information, you can mark it with a heart. Moments can help to share information with friends. To publish new information, people can choose a picture in their smartphone or take a photo directly, and then add some text to describe the photo and send to the moment. That's all of my introduction, and thank you for watching How to WeChat.